We are here for Dell Technologies CIO Forum, which is one of the biggest and a flagship event for Dell Technologies India. We are running a little behind schedule, thanks to the rain in Mumbai, but can't help it. My best of the guys are on the job. A little worried, but I'm sure we'll pull it off.
So every time this event gets more bigger and bigger and it's more exciting. The major challenge that we face here is the timeline. So we still have 6 hours time left and we have a lot more to do. So I'm sure we will do it and it's a fun time to be.
What we're all trying to attempt is to bring to life the Dell Forum tomorrow and to make it much bigger, better than ever before. I'm very, very excited. We have Kapil Dev, we have Mandira Bedi, we have a whole lineup of global leaders from Dell Technologies who are going to be here. We're very lucky to still have the great faith the client has in us, and we're just out here to prove it that we will do our best tomorrow.
Screen, I think, is one of the biggest one we have done in Keystone. It's like 120 feet huge LED screen.
The joy is about doing something different, something more than what the client would have anticipated, to bring in value from a client's point of view, from a customer point of view. While event execution is something that we do marvelously in any case, at the CIO Forum we bring in a lot in terms of content, in terms of experience.
We are creating a 360-degree experience on demand for the customers. So when people come in, they have a pod on which they can select the content, and it plays as a 360-degree immersive content projection.
Every year, the attempt is to try and up the ante, get new stuff, new technology into creating a wow experience for the overall delegates.
It's not about closing the pitch, it's all about when the show goes live.
Hugest round of applause as I invite on stage the captain of the 1983 World Cup winning team, Kapil Dev!
We always look forward to a very great show. We have butterflies in our stomach till we go live, till we finish and the entertainment starts and we start seeing these huge smiles on the faces of our delegates, is when we know we've done a great job. So right now is that moment where out there in the banquet people are partying, music's playing, alcohol is flowing, and here we are as a team feeling very proud of what we did this year as well. It's a hat trick and we look forward to creating many more hat tricks like this with the same event with them.
Yes, we did it again.
I am really happy, I'm excited. Fantabulous. I couldn't be happier.
Only we can pull this off.
It was a huge success.
That's the joy of being in an event, and I'm on a high. Thank you.